In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider the easiest digital side hustle. And the most important thing is that literally you can start with $0 and this is beginner friendly. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo and welcome to my channel. Just in case that you don't know me, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs thanks to my digital business. And everything started with the digital side hustle. That's the reason why I'm actually creating this type of content here on YouTube, sharing information based 100% of my experience. Uh, just in case that you don't know, well, previously I had a previous online business. I was doing something super different, but unfortunately I met the wrong person at the wrong time and I suffered a huge scam. And as you are aware, you know that if you have been dealing with the bank, they don't care who took the credit card, they don't care who took the loan. It is on your name. It's your responsibility. They don't care what happened to the money. So that's what basically happened to me. So I was forced to find not one, but two full-time jobs. And as you can imagine, I have a financial disaster full of debts, a lot of stress. There were nights that I couldn't sleep. And although I have really good jobs, I was barely surviving. I wasn't even living paycheck to paycheck because sometimes, because of my debts, there is a lot of money that, I have to try to make. And but the most important thing here is that my mindset was affected. Okay, I know a lot of people focus on the monetary side of the story, but if you're under the stress right now because you're full of debt, you have a lot of pressure, right? So take into consideration that you have alternatives. Okay, so one of them is the one that I'm going to show here. As I mentioned before, this is going to be based 100% on my experience. I'm going to be sharing with you everything here. Well, first of all, this is what I consider the easiest digital side hustle. Well, literally, you can start with $0. It's beginner friendly. If you are wondering, like, Dina, can I really make money online with this? Well, these are some of my wallets. Here I have $12,107 that I made and with one product. Here I have a product that is paying me $572. MRR mean monthly recurring revenue. That means that I'm earning money with this month after month after month after month, as long as people are actually, um, you know, uh, keeping the product. And everything is digital. Okay, everything is digital. There is no inventory. There is no shipping fee. There is no ads, and there is no Etsy. Okay, so don't worry about having like a huge investment up front because that's not going to happen. As I told you before, this is something that actually changed my life. And as you can imagine, by having two full-time jobs and a lot of debts, I didn't have a lot of time and I didn't have a lot of money, but I still need money, extra money to survive. The cool thing about this is like literally you set it up once and it can help you earn passive income. Okay, so I usually compare this like a rocket. Like at the beginning, the rocket, it takes a lot of fuel, a lot of power, a lot of energy, you name it, and after that, it's just maintenance. Okay, after that, it's just maintenance. So it gives you a great opportunity. And again, if you're in a situation that you did not have a lot of time, you can spend 1, 2, 3 hours per day, or if you are organized, you can actually do this in 2, 3 days per month. Okay, but you need to be 100% focused, 100% committed. And, thanks to all the tools that we have right now, you can set this and it's going to be working for you 24/7. So what I'm basically telling you to do, and this is actually based on my experience, like you can be recommending other people products, but not physical products, digital products. This can be ebooks, this can be workshops, this can be memberships. Okay, so there are like three types of products. These can be like low ticket, so that means that you're going to be earning a low commission. Most of the time it's going to be 100 or less. High ticket, you can be earning $1,000 just by recommending one product, and it has happened to me several times. And memberships, that means like an app maybe you already have installed on your cell phone, or the internet service provider that you're currently using. You walk to that office once and you keep paying it month after month after month after month. So the same here. As long as the person is using the service, you're going to be actually earning money month after month after month after month. And this is going to be growing if you let it do it. Okay, these are the steps that you actually need to follow. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first in the description. So these are basically the steps that I follow. The very first one is that I actually pick a niche. Okay. Here in the internet, we can recommend as many products, as many services. We can talk about anything and everything. But if you really want to be successful with this, pick a niche. Okay. The most profitable online niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Those are the most profitable online niches. Diana, does that mean that I cannot promote anything else? Okay, maybe I love other things. I cannot go that route. Literally on internet, there are people looking for information 24/7. You can promote anything and everything, but here, as I told you before, I'm sharing this based on my experience. And by fact, I know that the most profitable online niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Because if someone have a pain, if someone have a problem, they have the willingness to invest on that. That doesn't mean that you cannot go and recommend, for example, like a restaurant. Hey, but how often people go to a restaurant? Or, people sometimes take a lot of time doing research before they took the step. It's not like if you're a headache, hey, if you're a headache and you're in an important day, or it can be a regular day, you are looking for a way in which you're going to stop that pain. Okay? So you're going to go to the doctor if it's a migraine or something severe, or you can actually say like, hey, you know what? I'm going to I'm going to buy some medicines on the drugstore because I know like, how to take care of this because you want to solve that problem because it's painful. Okay. After that, you're going to be picking a product. More than 80% of the companies nowadays do have these type of programs. You can find them on different marketplaces. For example, you can go to here to ClickBank. You can go and you can join here, okay, as as an affiliate. Okay, they have already paid over $7.3 billion in commission. They have over 100,000 active affiliates. If you cannot use ClickBank, there are others, you know, marketplaces, for example, Store24, and there are others. Literally, you can go to Google and you can find like click the alternative, and you're gonna see that there are tons of alternative. Or you can put on Google the name of the product or service that you want to recommend, plus affiliate program or the plan plus affiliate program, and you're gonna notice that this is not a new business model. This is something that has been around since the 90s. But, there is a lot of people who really don't know about this. And this is actually a side hustle that literally you can start today if you find something that you use. And this is actually Diana talking based on her experience. I only recommend products and services that I have used or I'm currently using that give me some kind of results, because for me, the easiest way to recommend a product or service is based on my experience. Okay, that's actually how I do it. I actually recommend this based on my experience. Like if I talk with a friend, with a family member, like if you go to a movie and someone asks you like your experience, and you recommend it with passion and you talk a lot of things, and sometimes you even give people spoilers because you're really excited, you really enjoy the experience. Okay, maybe you enjoy the story, cool things, so that's basically the same. Now, you need to have a two-page system. Nowadays, thanks to the technology, you can literally start for free. I'm going to be leaving a link below to a tool, and that is actually an all-in-one marketing solution. It's called System.io. You can have a free account, and yeah, you hear right, it's actually a free account. It's not a free trial. And here, you're going to have a two-page system in which Basically, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be offering something that we call a lead magnet. So we're going to be offering something for free. Most of the time, companies give this information to us. Okay, so we can actually give it a PDF, a video, access to a webinar. Okay, so people are going to give them their name, their email address, and then we are going to tell them like, hey, you know what? Here is going to be your special link, which is called your affiliate link. So now you have this type of system that you can build without any kind of technical knowledge. And the most important thing is that you can actually automate this. You can do email automation. This is actually key when I actually decided to, you know, earn some extra money, because at the beginning I wasn't looking to replace my two full-time jobs. Not even one of them. I was actually looking to earn some extra cash. And with this, we can set it up just once, and we can tell them like, hey, you know what? If you didn't make the purchase of the product, hey, we can recommend this product, and we can also recommend other products and services as well. And this is something that, as I mentioned before, you configure it once and it's going to be working for you 24/7. Okay, because literally people are online 24/7, and this is what we actually call traffic. So this is literally eyeballs. Okay, people where they are, they're on Instagram, they're on Facebook, they are on TikTok, they are on Pinterest, they are on X, they're reading blogs, you name it. Okay, and you can tell them like, hey, if you want to learn more about this, check my freebie, check my information. And if you want to earn more money, the only thing that you need to do now is actually create more content about the main product. But remember that on the back end, this is what we call the back end, you can promote other products and services as well. So this is actually really cool, because this is going to be growing. It's going to be like a snowball effect. You can promote as many products and services as you want on the back end, and you're going to start getting commission rolling. Okay, every single day. Okay, as and you can do this for free. And don't worry, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to show your face. You don't need to talk if you don't want to talk. You can create a 5 to 7 second videos, put it on Instagram, Facebook Reel, YouTube Short, TikTok, you know, and it's going to be the same content, but it's going to be replicated on all this thing. And remember, the more content you have out there, the more opportunity you have to catch people attention. Okay, so this is actually something that helps me replace my two full-time jobs, and this is actually the same system that has been working for years. Okay, so this is for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.